I'm going to show you something today that is related to Viral Vue, and it is that tool that I bought that has really helped me out with my Amazon Creator Connections commissions. And I'm going to walk you through basically what I do every morning. I run the automatic scanner that scans those hundreds of thousands of campaigns and accepts various ones that you have a video for. Also, I'm going to run a last 48 hours and a last 30 days as well. So we're going to jump right into this. Now behind the scenes in my Amazon Associates page, after we've installed that Chrome extension, we have this Viral Vue bar at the top. So I'm going to run through it, basically what I do each morning. I come here and click collect past 48 hours, and it shows that I've collected 10 different ASINs. And I also come over here and refresh those Creator Connections earnings and also the standard commissions earnings. And I'll talk about that in a future video, but it's basically keeps all of your data in one place so that you can measure it out and see how you're doing and what's working and what's not. So after we've done the offsite ID, we'll actually come up here and switch it to the onsite ID, and it'll refresh the page and showcase those numbers. And we'll go back and do the exact same thing for this Viral Vue bar at the top. So collect those past 48 hours, we're going to click that. And then again, for Viral Vue's purposes, refresh those Creator Connections earnings and also all of the standard commission earnings as well. Once we've clicked those few buttons for the onsite ID, we're going to come back and switch it to your offsite ID. And there's actually a link in the Viral Vue bar that takes you directly to your Creator Connections. This is something I love to do every single morning just so I don't miss out on those halo sales. Amazon will place your video on a product that is not related to your tagged ASIN. And if they buy that product, that's a halo sale. So we'll talk about that in a future video. I blurred out all of my data just to make sure we are focused on what we have here. So we have this accept related campaigns button. And now we have various different options that we can use. Under our video settings, we have tagged ASINs and also auto-linked ASINs as well. So tagged ASINs are the ASINs that you put on your videos for Amazon Influencer Program. And now auto-linked ASINs are kind of like those halo sales I was talking about, in that Amazon will place your video on other products and actually you can get earnings from those purchases as well. Now if we look underneath the video settings, we have report settings. And this is last 48 hours, last 30 days, and also URL Vue, which is something we'll talk about in a future video too. So right now I have over 2,000 ASINs that are tagged with my videos and auto-linked through Amazon. So we're going to still run both at the same time. They recommend if you get more ASINs to run them separately because it might rate limit you if you do run into this issue. So we're going to accept both and start it up. It'll start to run this Creator Connections scanner, which was such a huge selling point for me in terms of grabbing the pro version of Viral Vue, and that is something that has completely changed my commissions. I didn't record any new videos. I just clicked a few buttons and it tripled my earnings in Creator Connections. So if you do actually want to get Viral Vue, no questions asked, if you do get that Viral Vue Pro with KevRev, I will send you $10 extra. Just let me know your Venmo, PayPal, or whatever you want to use. Post it down in the comments below if you grab that Pro plan. But I basically start this, then I'll go, get a coffee, get breakfast, get some, a bagel, and by the time this is all finished, I'll come back and this is basically done. We're about halfway through in terms of running all of our ASINs in this automatic Creator Connections checker. So we got one. If I had to do this manually, there are over 500,000 Creator Connections campaigns. There's no way that I could possibly search through all 500,000 plus and find that one related ASIN. All right, so we are coming to the end. We've got just under a minute left in terms of running these. Oh, we got four? All right, so we got 2 more campaigns, total of 4 so far. And we've got about 30 seconds left on this scanner. So we have 4 campaigns that were accepted, and it actually tells you basically which ones they were. We had 2 that were accepted based on the ASINs that I had tagged in my videos. And then we also had 2 that were from auto-linked ASINs, and those are the halo sales that we were looking at. So we're going to submit all of our links. It says you submit your storefront and submit your media links. So those are another thing that Viral Vue will keep everything in line. There's so many things that are with Viral Vue. I'm looking forward to making videos for all of these. So we are now 1601, so 1,601 campaigns. We have 4 ASINs that are going to be submitted, and it's done. That was completed in 22 seconds. Everything that we have for these creator connections that are 10 to 50% on top of your 2 to 4% have now been submitted and accepted. And it's such a huge time saver. That probably all took just over 20 minutes. Now, something else that I do like to run each morning, again, we're still on coffee time. So we've got the last 48 hours and the URL Vue settings. It has 97 ASINs that it's going to check within the past 48 hours. Just in case it was not there on the first, scan, it'll just check those previous 48 hours and accept that campaign. URL Vue is a separate deep link service that is part of Viral Vue. So if you get that Pro plan, you're automatically in URL Vue, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything extra. It's included in your Pro plan. Okay, so that ran for 2 minutes and 13 seconds. We had 1 extra campaign that was accepted, and this is based on your earnings report. We're going to submit everything once again, and now if we look at our accepted campaigns, it will probably go to 1602. Because there's that extra campaign that was accepted. Now again, there was no content that was submitted for that extra campaign, but that's totally fine. Again, it's for Halo sales. We'll talk about that in a future video. I also run this last 30 days. And so that last 30 days, it's again just going to run it, and hopefully it'll accept a campaign if there is one out there, but if not, that's totally fine as well. That means we've accepted every single campaign possible. This only runs for the past 455 earnings report ASINs, and that's the previous 30 days. So that's only what it's checking. It's not checking the 2,000 plus that I have out there. It's just checking the past 455 on your earnings report. And there we go. We're at 1603. No content was submitted, but that is exactly what I do every single morning. Ever since I got that Pro plan back in June of last year, my Creator Connections earnings have skyrocketed. So this is purely for Creator Connections. This has nothing to do with your Amazon earnings. This is an additional section where we have bonus earnings on top of your Amazon earnings. So again, I only had like $90+ in May of 2025, and by December of 2025, I was over 1,800. So that's like 20x what I made back in May. That just blows my mind. So I got the software June 11th, clicked a few buttons, and in the following 30 days, I had triple my commissions in Amazon Creator Connections, which I was blown away. Again, I just love this Viral Vue product so much that I'm actually offering $10 if you get that Pro plan and use what I'm showing you here, because your earnings will increase. Because all I did that first month was click a few buttons. I didn't record any other additional videos, and it tripled my earnings just like that. So if you do want to check out Viral Vue, the link is down below. Use my referral code KEVREV for 10% off for life. And if you get that Pro plan with KEVREV, I will send you $10 if you drop your Venmo, your PayPal, or anything else into the comments below. There are so many other things with Viral Vue that I'm very excited to show you about. So make sure to like the video, subscribe, and look for those future videos where I'll showcase all the wonderful things that these guys are developing for Viral Vue. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one.